Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, January 20th. I hope you can see that, but we are in the middle of a snowstorm today. It started this morning at 6 a.m. and it's until this evening. It will snow until this evening, but they're more worried about is the icy conditions. So that's why they had to cancel work for my daughter today, and there is no school. When they cancel school here, it has to be very serious. Yeah, you see all the snow coming down from the side like that. Having my cup of coffee today. Getting ready today for a crochet day. Yes, definitely a day to sit back and watch videos and crochet. Hope you guys have a blessed day.